What's good, guys? Welcome to another day in the life of an entrepreneur. I got into real estate when I was 16 years old. I'm 22 years old now, and in just 2 years, from the age of 16 to the age of 18, I was able to become a millionaire. I run multiple 6- and 7-figure businesses now. This is my office building, and we're gonna go walk through my company today and show you what a day in business looks like for me. Now, this Beamer that I just bought, it's not that expensive, but I just bought this new car because I'm actually gonna be leaving my company for the first time ever. I'm gonna be leaving my company for 4 months. From July to October, I got a house in Laguna Beach, California that I rented that I'm gonna be living at for 4 months to leave my company, to see if my company can run without me. And I got this convertible Beamer to leave at my California house while I leave my company for 4 months. So this is gonna be the test to see if I have built a well-oiled machine that can run without me, and if I have the right team in place that will run my business while I'm gone. I'm not gonna be not working when I'm in California. I'm gonna be working more than ever, but I'm gonna be able to focus more because I won't have team members knocking on my door every 10 minutes needing help with stuff when they could figure it out on their own. It's gonna be a test to have my team figure things out on their own without me. And what I'm gonna be able to do is I'm gonna be able to get that focus work in, not have people running around all day in my office around me. I'm gonna be by myself in my house in California, locked in and scaling my companies. Because guys, in this day and age, a lot of the ways to make a lot of money, it's on the computer, it's digital. You gotta be a nerd and make it happen. And so if I'm able to focus on my computer, I can scale my businesses to the moon. So this is my office right here, and we'll say what's up to everybody. But yeah, it's already, I'm a little bit late today. It's like 10:30. I was doing some other stuff, filming some other stuff. But this is Alex. He's on a call.
Perfect. Sounds good.
He's fairly new. What's up, Alex? Good morning.
Good morning. How we doing?
Sir, doing good. Yeah, Alex has been here about a month, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
How many deals have you gotten under contract?
5.
Good job, bro. 5 deals. 5 deals, 3 weeks.
So,
This is Louis.
can you open up your email now so we can go over that agreement together?
He's closing. He's gonna try to lock up a deal right now. He said, "Can you open up your email right now so we can go over the contract?" She say yes? Yeah. All right. Let's see if we get a deal right now.
All right, Patrick, you got that email pulled up? All right, excellent. We're gonna go over that together. That way I can answer any questions for you. All right, bye.
Say again?
Perfect. Good job, bro. Good job.
Okay.
So what do they need to do? They need to talk it over with the husband or something?
Yeah, with the wife. She was
With the
like
wife?
whispering in his ear, telling him like, "Oh, I do real estate too." And
Got you. When are you gonna call him back?
so I'm probably gonna give him like a couple of
Okay,
hours,
and did you have a
maybe
price
an
in
hour.
mind for
Sweet,
this process,
sweet.
sir? Like a ballpark
Awesome, man.
price?
So he just went over a contract trying to lock up a deal. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I put a full gym in here. Hiring sales guys, this helps. They get pretty excited. Dumbbells, bench, lat pull down, cable machine, all of it. Enough to get a workout in. Put that here so that way sales guys want to work here. Most sales guys are trying to get jacked. Also, it's kind of messy back here, but got a PS4 so they can game. But gaming doesn't really get you results. So only on Fridays at lunch are they able to game. But yeah, we're crushing it. Sean's out of the office today. Got a big ass beanbag. That's how it's done. Guys, it's literally like a frat house here, but that's how you grow a sales team. I'm telling you, you gotta have the right mentality, right energy, and that's how you crush. 2 of my other sales guys are right now, one of them's training, and one of them's on a call closing right now in the back room. I can hear them on the phone through the door. But once they're off that call, we'll check in with them. But I just got this new monitor. It's super sick, and it's curved. Check it out. And it's pretty dope. It's like $2,000. But it was worth it. Because basically, as you can see, like when I sit here, I'm like engulfed in work. Like any way I look, it's all just work. So it's actually increased my productivity massively, right? And then I got my old monitors because I'm basically have to get 2 of everything because I'm going to set up a whole office for me to work at in California. So that's what I've been doing, is basically getting everything in place, the car, the house in California, the computer equipment that I need to bring to California. I'm setting up some more cameras in the office that are going to live stream a live feed so I can see what's going on here all day when I'm out of the office, just to make sure that things are rolling the proper way. But this is going to be the first test. Most people step away for their business for a weekend or a week when they go on vacation to see if their business will run. I'm going to step away for 4 months, basically. We'll see how it goes. I think it's going to turn out just fine. I think I'm actually going to make more money, so I'm excited for it. We can listen to one of Alex's calls. Let's see what he's got to say.
I'm going to talk to my finance team here and see if we can get a number near there. And then I'll give you a call back in like 10 minutes. Does that sound good, sir? Okay, perfect. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I hope I'll reach back out to you in 10 minutes. Appreciate your time. Thank you.
All right, so property's a little tough to comp probably. That's why he's getting off the phone with him to look at it for 10 minutes. Normally we keep him on the line and present the offer, but you hear his tonality. He's got a great voice. People love talking to him, so that's why he's able to succeed and get deals. And how many deals was it, Alex, in your first 3 weeks? 8?
I got
8 contracts? 6. 6? 5 signed, 6 will be today. So 6 contracts, 3 weeks. Never had a sales job before. Never had a sales job before. That's how good my training is, that you're able to crush in 3 weeks' time, get that many deals under contract. So, and this is just the beginning for Alex. Alex has only been here 3 weeks, so we're just getting dialed in, and he's going to be crushing it. All right, but I'll wait for them to be done, and we'll check in with my other sales guys, and then we'll see what else we have in store today. All right, so I'm also scaling my company so much and the different businesses that I run, that my real estate business, I'm getting so many team members on my real estate business that it's filling up my whole office. And there's a couple other businesses I run where I need them to be separated because sellers can't hear us talking about marketing, right? Because then they're like, I hear marketing going on in the background, but you're trying to buy my house, what's going on? So I'm actually looking into getting a whole separate office just down the hall from my office for my real estate company in particular. And I'm negotiating the deal on this office space right now. And I think this will be really good because I'm going to be able to put some of my leadership team in their own executive offices, give them this whole space to grow and to help me grow. And I think it could just be a good next step for me. So there's a conference room right here, which right now I'm using my conference room for like a bullpen area where I have all my sales guys. And a conference room actually is really valuable for collaboration and like training. So I'm looking forward to putting a conference table in here, being able to meet with the team more directly in a better space. We have 2 executive offices here. If we come into one of them, what's sick about this office is this hangar right here, there's a bunch of nice cars. You see there's 3 Porsches, 2 BMWs. Well, it's tough to see, and there's 1 jet in that hangar right now. But normally they fit 4 jets in this hangar. And so this is going to be sick for me to give my team these offices where then they have jets behind them and they can watch the jets pull out and take off all day because we are on the Scottsdale runway. And then over here, all this is going to get redone because the ceiling's like falling down, but this and new carpet, new paint, but this will be another bullpen room where I'll pack in a bunch of sales guys. I could probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could fit 8 guys there. There's a little kitchen area. I could fit 9, 10, 11. I can probably fit 8 to 11 more people in this office. So that's killer. If I have 8 people here, and in my current office I have, let me turn the light off. If I have 8 people here and another 8 people in mine, maybe 10, we're talking I'll have 18 people, 16 to 18 people working for my companies. If I can get up to 16 to 18 people, I think we'll do $5-6 million a year top line revenue. At least $3 to $4 million on the real estate business and a couple more million on my other businesses. So that would be sweet. Right now I'm doing about 2.5. So I'm looking to double the current revenue that I'm doing. All right, they're off the sales call. Colton's training to be a closer for one of my other businesses. Spencer's like one of my main closers and one of my sales trainers here. How you doing? Good day so far?
Doing great. Good day so far. Crushing it. Absolutely.
Sweet.
Let's do it.
All right, and Colton, you're doing good, picking up the new things. So Colton, you've seen him in my other videos. He was doing real estate. I'm moving him to one of my marketing companies. How's things going on learning this new sales process?
I'm picking it up quick. Your training's great. Like I said, I got my first real estate deal in 4 days, and training with his other businesses, I'm picking up real quick. So it's gonna be great.
So he got his first deal locked up in my real estate company in 4 days after training, and in total, how many real estate deals did you lock up your first month?
I think it was 8.
8 deals his first month. So just the same way Alex has 6, Colton got 8 his first month, crushing it. So yeah, guys, we're absolutely crushing it. I got a couple meetings that I have to jump into today, so we'll see if there's anything else to show you. But overall, see my whole company, it's packed out and we're crushing it. All right, guys, we're gonna head to lunch. It's Friday, so the whole team's gonna go grab lunch. And then that's going to be the end of this video, though. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a day in my company and talking with the team, watching us talk to some sellers, and checking out the office, and hearing my plans for me going away to California for a little while. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking to wholesale real estate, I have a live free training going on this week. There's going to be a link in the description where you can sign up for that live training. And also, I have a free course where you can get 20 training videos on wholesaling real estate. There's a link in the description for that. And you can also download free contracts and scripts in the link in the description down below. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.